How to build wealth even on a small salary. Think you can't build wealth because your salary is small? That's a lie, and I'm about to prove it, the speaker said confidently. Step 1. Track every dollar. The speaker advised that if you don't know where your money's going, it's already gone, and recommended cutting leaks like subscriptions and eating out. Next, build an emergency fund, even if it's just $500, the speaker encouraged. That small cushion keeps you from sliding into debt. Step 3. Invest early. Investing $25 a month into index funds grows like crazy over time, the speaker encouraged, motivation clear in their voice. You don't need a lot, you just need to start. Step 4. Live below your means. The speaker advised, and whatever you do, live below your means. When your income grows, don't let your lifestyle grow with it. Stay humble. Stack more, the speaker said, with motivation in their voice. Wealth isn't about your paycheck. It's about your mindset and discipline, they continued, inspiring their audience to follow for more real money talk.